Hello everyone. In our previous video, we saw super statement and this statement uh, in the topic constructor chaining, and also we talked about one more topic that or a concept that multiple inheritance is not possible when it comes to inheritance topic. So class C extends class A, class B is not supported in terms of class inheritance, whereas that can be achieved in interface. So here I made a note, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java through class. So what is the reason? The reason is because of there are two reasons why it is not supported using Java. So one reason is we know that in Java we have a constructor, definitely by default or program defined anything, but there will be minimum one constructor, and every constructor will have a super statement by default or programmer defined. At least it will have one super statement. So every constructor will have super statement, and that one constructor can have only one super statement. So there is no multiple super statement, only one super statement will exist. Okay, so this super statement is eligible to invoke only one superclass constructor. So each class will have a constructor will have a super statement, and each super statement is allowed to call one superclass constructor. Say for example, this class C extends class A, class B, and let's assume class C has constructor class C, and within which we have a super statement. Now guess how super statement will invoke the superclass constructor. Now there are two superclasses, class A and class B, right? So this super statement which is in class C constructor, how it will define which one is a superclass for it, whether it is class A superclass constructor to get invoked, or it is class B superclass constructor. So because of this confusion, this is not possible. This multiple inheritance is not possible. And there is one more reason why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java using class. So the same hierarchy you see here, class A and class B, and class C as a subclass for class A and B. So every class in Java has a object class relationship, right? So they definitely get inherited to object class. So in class C constructor we have a super statement, and that super statement, in order to access object class members, which path it has to follow, whether it has to traverse from class A or class B. So this is one more confusion gets created. So this problem is called as a diamond problem, because the super statement falls into the confusion in accessing the object members, which is ultimately inherited by every class. So in our case it is class A and class B, because class C extends class A and class B, and by default class A extends to object. So that's what we studied in our inheritance topic. So in order to get objects members, which path it has to follow, super statement of class C, or which path it has to follow to access object class constructor, right? So that is a problem we face if we create a multiple inheritance. So these are the two reasons why we are not allowed to have a multiple inheritance using class in Java. Thank you.